Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you want the most beautiful, eye-catching beach bag, check out this one from KUAK. Now this is a clear bag and it has that beautiful iridescent finish, so it picks up the sun so nicely. It comes in many different colors. I love it in purple. I think it's so pretty. This bag is really spacious. I often bring a beach blanket, 4 towels, snacks, sunscreen, everything gets thrown in this bag, and there's lots of room. Because of the material it's made of, you don't have to worry about this getting sandy or wet. You can literally just hose it off. There's one pocket on the inside that's waterproof, so for your valuables like your phone or your money, you can tuck it away there. The handles are a nice length, and it does stay upright, so you can put this right down and it's not going to tip over. You're sure to get a ton of compliments with this bag. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's the perfect addition to your beach day, and that's my point of view.